What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in to our YouTube channel today. I'm Rachel here with vicrez.com, and right behind me here we have one part out of a 7-piece carbon fiber Nismo styled body kit for our Nissan GT-R owners, drivers, and R35 enthusiasts. Made from top quality materials that have been rated at the highest grade in their class, vz100917 is a reinforced fiberglass front bumper with more than just the carbon fiber grille accent that you're seeing right here. This Nissan GT-R front bumper also comes with a front lip splitter that is entirely carbon fiber as well. So if the name of the game is weight reduction, Vicrez carbon fiber products are not only ultra lightweight and extremely durable, but they are the optimal upgrade for your 2009 to 2015 Nissan GT-Rs. You'll now have a product that is up to 80% lighter than the factory stocked bumper that is currently on your vehicle. Made to fit 2009 to 2015 R35 models, this sporty front bumper is aggressive in design, and it boasts an iconic body style that was once exclusively only available to the Nissan Nismo GT-R. It has captivated crowds and revolutionized the way that we view Nissan today. We know that every Nismo feels like a Nismo with Nissan, so why not make your Nissan look like a Nismo with Vicrez? This front bumper was made to fit Nissan GT-R R35s that were manufactured by Nissan from 2009 until 2015. So if you are looking for the perfect piece to finish up your dream GT-R build, or just now getting started, look no further. vz100917 was undoubtedly made for aerodynamic machines. And as an added bonus, this piece has 6 other optional carbon fiber body kit pieces to not only complement, but complete that Nissan Nismo GT-R appearance. So reduce that curb weight, revamp your curb appeal, and don't bother to curb that enthusiasm. With Vicrez, you'll get the products that you like with the top quality that you love, all from a company that you know you can trust. By combining both the use of 3D scanning and CAD data, we were able to capture engineering optimizations that ensure our Vicrez products will fit your vehicle on the first try. However, Vicrez does recommend professional installation by an accredited automotive body shop first and foremost, especially before suggesting any DIY or self-installation. So just make sure that you please test fit all aftermarket products before having them painted, installed, or modified in any way. And if you like what you see and you want to see more, stay tuned. We have new videos out every week. Just do yourself a favor and make sure you hit that like button below and head on over to our channel to subscribe. If you're looking to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight on over to your inbox, make sure you subscribe to our weekly newsletter as well, available now at vicrez.com.